All right, SPY. We see we're at the top of the box. I think we're clearing above these highs. We're at 889. This is, it got high of it. It didn't close there, but right there. So above the 89, it's moving higher. Volume is decreasing. MACD is about to curl to the bullish side. So it looks good for longs. I mean, again, I'm not going to fight the price action to say, okay, it was gappy, maybe it's going to fill these gaps. No, I'm not going to do that. It's trending up. It's basically breaking above this box. It needs to break above this high of 89 and just close above there for the week. So, I mean, we're going into Thursday. It's been, like I said, it's been sideways action for a little while, but if it's congestion and continues to the upside, you just continue trading to the upside. Been not a lot of follow through for a lot of stuff that I was looking at, but there's stuff that's been working. So let's look at some of it. Well, let's continue with looking at the indexes first. So we see that we're still under this trend line, but again, this is good. MACD looking good for the QQQ, so that's a good one, good sign. You got the Russell getting back into this, at least breaking into this channel that we had, this bullish channel. And it could continue more to the upside. The day still looks good. And then we have the diamond. Diamond's now above. I mean, now it's above, and we said it could be an inverse head and shoulder. Here's the neckline. Well, the neckline, if we get up, pull back, and more up, then it's off to the races. So I have some names to look at. Johnson & Johnson could be consolidating, flagging. You have CAT that did excellent today. You got who else? You got Hess. Hess did well today, followed through. You got Macy's looking well. You got TRW. TRW looks like it might be flagging. You got Exxon Mobil. We still look, and this could be flagging as well. I put this up yesterday. We also have EMS. EMS. Come on. Well, I don't know what the hell is going on here. Maybe I got the wrong symbol, but whatever. We got Apple. Apple's continuing. Again, I like it over this high, but it's moving. It's moving higher. You got bullish MACD, and it's going higher. So I can't really knock it for that. You got Google. Google is now approaching its 10, and if you're aggressive, you would have got in either today or maybe yesterday. But that's really an aggressive move. But if it paid, that's fine. You got some names that didn't look well today. Yelp continues to look bad. This might be good for a short tomorrow. You got LinkedIn still looking bad, continuing to look bad. Amazon is still hovering around this 200-day, but you can see it's bearish MACD plus below the 10. So that one didn't look too well. You got, I think I did Buffalo Wild Wings. Buffalo Wild Wings is giving an engulfing pattern. Below the 10 bearish MACD as well, with increasing volume to the downside. So it might be a target at least for around this 140 area if you get in. I don't know, maybe after final order, like the hell with it. So it's coming down. You have Tesla's closed strong today, actually got back and closed above this gap. So how about that? It came back, fought back. I thought it was going to be weak, and it didn't. It ended up, I wanted to break this level around this 200, 202 level, and it continues to the upside. So that's hats off to them. You got 3M that might be flagging to give you more upside. You got CXO. You have Monster not looking well. That one looks also, it looks like it's at the 50 flagging. So you have FEYE, FireEye. That one looks bad as well. eBay doesn't look good. Same thing, below the 10, closing below the 50. Bearish MACD. Could this just be a flag setting up? And you have Exxon, another biotech name that doesn't look good as well. So my thing is, if you didn't have this 200, you would be saying, okay, it could get down to this 41 level. This 200 is not a net, even though to give it a good, it has hit it a couple times. 1, 2, 3, 4. And will it hold this fifth time? We shall see. So just have some names like that. I think I have CWT. That one looks like it's flagging. Let me see if I'm looking at, yeah, this volume is not good. So this is one that I really try to do average of a million or better. This volume, I just saw the pattern, but just be careful with that one because the volume is kind of light. Las Vegas Sands, that one could be setting up as well. Let me see what win is looking like. Almost the same type of flag pattern, and MACD could be getting above. So we'll just look at those names for tomorrow. I think what else I had Joy that looked good as well. If you can get above these highs, got a lot of names, but that LinkedIn, the QHU, the Hess, Monster, those look weak, and we really have to see what's going on with that sector as well, because we you know, it's just been a weird time that things haven't been following through. But the stuff that has, hats off. I was looking at Qualcomm for the long, and I didn't want to get into it because it ended up breaking so late in the day. So you could see I was looking for it to get above this high, and it hovered and then just broke. I don't know if it broke just to flush it down. And I also got stopped out of a small position today. I think that was Hewlett Packard I got stopped out of. So kept it really, really tight, and we'll go from there. So take care.